Are you looking for one central place that helps you plan for this week's upcoming IPOs? If you are, you found it. Today we're talking about IPOs for the week of July 27th, 2020. If you're into IPOs, this video is for you. Welcome back to Healthy, Wealthy, and Wise, in our weekly feature, IPO This Week, where we talk all things IPOs. Every week I'll give you an introduction on the companies that are going public, plus if you missed out on the big IPO because it initially traded higher than you thought was fair value, I also share upcoming lockup expiration dates, which might give you another opportunity to get into that company at maybe a better price. Please remember that this video is meant to be informative and should not be seen as a recommendation for you to take any action. You should always do your own research and/or consult a financial advisor when making any investment decision. As we get started, I just want to get a better feel of what type of IPO investors we have in the community. Please let me know in the comments if you're more of a buy and hold long-term investor or more of that get in, get out short-term investor. I'm always looking for ways to better target the information I provide, and your comments will give me more to work with. So with that, let's get rolling with the 8 IPOs coming out this last week of July, plus I'll let you know of a big one that we're watching to see if it gets added. Vertex, ticker VERX, is a family-owned company that provides tax software for businesses. The company plans to raise $317 million by offering 21.5 million shares with an expected pricing range of $14 to $16, resulting in an almost $2 billion market cap. According to information at NASDAQ.com, the company has a track record of profitability and strong cash flow generation, and it has achieved growth at scale. Vertex looks to increase spending to further accelerate growth, and the IPO proceeds will go to debt to fund an insider dividend. The IPO is expected to occur on Tuesday, July 28th, with trading on Wednesday. AlloVir, ALVR, is a phase 2 biotech developing allogenic T-cell therapies for viral diseases. Their lead candidate is beginning an important phase 2 trial for high-risk stem cell transplant and solid organ transplant patients following phase 1 results that showed a 93% response rate. The company is also working on developing candidates for influenza and that big virus we've all been dealing with this year. The company plans to raise $251 million by offering 14.75 million shares with an expected pricing range of $16 to $18, resulting in an approximate $1 billion market cap. Right now we expect the IPO to be on 7/29, followed by trading on 7/30. Vasta platform, VSTA, which provides K-12 curriculum solutions in Brazil. The company was originally a spin-off from a Brazilian private educational group named Cogna. Vasta has demonstrated growth and profitability and has become one of the 3 largest entities in Brazil's educational publishing market. The company plans to raise $306 million by offering approximately 18.5 million shares with an expected pricing range of $15.50 to $17.50, resulting in a $1.37 billion market cap. Right now we expect the IPO to occur on Wednesday the 29th with trading on Thursday. Vital Farms, VITL, is the largest producer of pasture-raised eggs in the U.S., and they plan to raise $125 million by offering 7.8 million shares with an expected pricing range of $15 to $17, resulting in a $692 million market cap. The profitable company operates through a network of 200 family farms and has become the leading U.S. brand of pasture-raised eggs and butter and the second largest U.S. egg brand by retail dollar sales. Today, the company offers their products in more than 13,000 stores. Expect IPO pricing on 7/30 and public trading the next day. As we work our way through the list, please do me a favor and remember to click that like button. It lets me know you enjoy watching videos on IPOs and that I should keep making them. Plus, it also helps grow the channel, which is super important. It takes a lot of time to put these videos together, which I'm glad to do, if I know people are enjoying and finding value from them. Back to it. Next up is Fathom Holdings, FTHM, which is the cloud-based real estate brokerage. The company believes that real estate agents can increase their income by 25% by keeping a higher percentage of commission when they join the company. Fathom plans to raise $20 million by offering 2.5 million shares with an expected pricing range of $7 to $9, resulting in a $102 million market cap. I don't have an IPO date yet, but we'll update in the comments when I know what it is. PaxMedica, PXMD, is a phase 2 biotech developing therapies for neurodevelopmental disorders, including autism spectrum disorder and Fragile X syndrome tremor ataxia. The company is looking to raise $15 million by offering 2.5 million shares with an expected pricing range of $550 to $650, resulting in a $64 million market cap. I don't have an IPO date yet on this one as well, but we'll update in the comments. Goedeker, GOED, is a company that operates an e-commerce platform for appliances and home goods. The company has grown from a brick-and-mortar establishment to one that operates nationwide with over 90% of sales placed online. Goedeker's has been unprofitable and saw revenue actually decline both in 2019 and in the first quarter of 2020 due to supply chain issues. The company plans to raise $10 million by offering 1 million shares with an expected pricing range of $9 to $11, resulting in a $58 million market cap. Right now we expect the date to be 7:30 with trading beginning on the 31st. Li Auto, ticker LI, is the biggest deal on the board and to me is an intriguing company that manufactures luxury electric SUVs in China. The company states that it is the first to successfully commercialize extended range electric vehicles in the country. Li is pursuing a direct-to-consumer go-to-market model. It started production of its first model, Li 1, a 6-seat large electric SUV, in November 2019 and has delivered over 10,400 units as of June 30th, 2020. According to a 2019 market research report by TechSci Research, the Chinese market for electric vehicles of all types was valued at approximately $74 billion in 2018 and is expected to reach $330 billion by 2024, with reasons cited as growing concern over air pollution and increasing affordability of electric vehicles. According to TheStreet.com, the company is showing sharply growing top-line revenue, a swing to positive gross profit and gross margin, reduced operating losses, and a lowered level of cash used in operations. The company plans to raise $855 million by offering 95 million shares with an expected pricing range of $8 to $10, resulting in a $7.9 billion market cap. We expect the IPO to occur on Thursday, July 30th, with trading to begin on Friday. These are the companies that I have high confidence in their IPOs happening next week as of this recording. However, there is a big one out there that could be added for this coming week, and that is Rocket Companies, the very popular mortgage lender that you may know better as Quicken Loans. I'm keeping my eye close on this one and will post another video this week if they do end up jumping on this week's IPO calendar. So stay tuned with your notification bell turned on. Now let's take a look at the upcoming lockup expiration dates for this week. There's quite a few to watch for opportunities of a price drop as pre-IPO investors may look to finally be able to sell some shares. They are Sundial Growers, SNDL, July 26th, Innovis Bio, ANVS, July 27th, Impact Biomedical, ANPC, July 28th, Black Diamond, BDTX, also July 28th, One Life Healthcare, ONEM, also July 28th, Arcutis Biotherapeutics, ARQT, on July 29th, Reynolds Consumer, REYN, July 29th, and finally, Beam Therapeutics, BEAM, also July 29th. Lots going on and lots to look forward to this coming week. So what are your thoughts on these companies? Let us know in the comments. And remember that some of this information is fluid as the dates and offering sizes often change. So if you see something that changes from the video, please feel free to update it in the comments so that we can all have the most up-to-date information. I'll do my best as well. And if you're new to the channel and wondering how to join the community, it's super easy and free. You join by simply subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. I hope everyone has a good week and the best of luck in trading. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have a great day.